What is up? I thought I would show you guys something that I've been working on for about a month. I started getting into some RC cars. This is one I picked up off Marketplace. But over the last probably 3 or 4 weeks, what good is having a car if you don't have a place to play with it? So we've been turning the backyard into a little RC track, and it took about a week and a half with a weed whacker to get all of the, basically just all the grass and weeds out. Most of that in the back was all weeds, so whatever. I had one little patch of grass right here that we had to remove, like I said, and the rest is pretty much just whatever. But I do a lot of mowing back here, but we never really play with it. So why not? We gotta turn my car on. Oh, where's the button?
My inspiration, no the sympathy, taking everything you own, and they left you all alone. My steady sun, self-appointed, I am a fraud, you are a martyr. It's decided that they owe you several words I can tell you. Right in the sewer, scraps they left behind. Once they're visionary and they are left brought to light. Your broken record playing for none, fabricate song, amputated, creative tongue. You sing on and on and on, I can tell you. I'm bringing you down, calling you out, taking your shield. It's easier now. Years have been kind. Distance between giving hindsight. I jumped a train. Your tragedy, so easy to read, is bitter envy. They're reaping all the lonely benefits. It's the train they stole and you never. I'm burning you down, calling you out, taking your shield. It's easier now. Years have been kind. Distance between giving hindsight. I'm on a train.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's kind of a fun little house project. If you're into cars, you should think about doing one of these. It's kind of fun. It's fun to be able to just charge a battery and walk out the back door and play for 10 minutes.